I'm so happy to see you for circle time today. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome! Now we can do our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, my friend, let's do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Now we can count our days. Today I thought we could count really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and today is 15. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Thanks for counting along with me, friends. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for